Hey, welcome to Dee and Dory.
Yes, welcome to Dee and Dory. And as you will have noticed, this is a bit different for us this week.
Yes, we're not moving. It's not because our arthritis has set in, is it?
And no, but sometimes I feel like that, just not moving.
Yeah.
But we've had interesting week here, so.
Very busy, and we were not able to get together. So this is going to have to do for this week. But we have some wonderful makes that we'd like to share with you from our viewers. And it might be a little bit shorter, but hey, we'd like to spend a little time with you anyway.
Yeah, so it'll be interesting to see these makes that you guys have sent in, and we'll share what our thoughts are about them.
Yeah, but first we'll start with our inspirational saying.
Okay.
Which is, I find that when you have a real interest in life and a curious life, that sleep is not the most important thing.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah, you have to continue to have questions about things, and you need to keep yourself going, and your curiosity. So sleep just becomes something that you have to have when you need it.
And sometimes I find it's true when I've got something that I'm really involved in, I might not even make it to sleep when I thought I should, as early as I should, right?
Well, maybe that's true. Yes, I know that's definitely true for you, but I value my sleep a little bit. Well, my body tells me I have to sleep. So I get more sleep than Dory does.
Well, that's okay because you're older.
Hey, there you go again.
So this quote, go ahead.
I was going to ask who wrote it.
Oh, yes. This quote is from Martha Stewart.
Oh, okay.
She is an American retail businesswoman, a writer, and a TV personality. She was born in 1941 at the age of 83. I mean, she wasn't born at the age of 83. She's 83 right now.
Yeah, I was going to say most people recognize Martha Stewart. So,
yeah.
Okay.
So let's get into our first make.
Okay.
First off, we have some little quilts that Mary H. made as gifts. This is her first one. Looks like painted windows almost to me, or lead painted windows. Is that what that's called?
Yeah, I think that's what you're referring to. I really like the colors of that one, the black as the main, and then the design. Of course, that's a very kind of graphic design. I like those.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome looking. And then we see her next one that she's made here.
Oh, it's really pretty. I like the contrasting with the blue and the orange. They're opposite on the color wheel, so that works perfectly. What is that she has in there? It's kind of like, is it something embroidered?
I don't know what it is. Sorry.
It's very pretty.
Yeah.
A lot of work and a lot of planning in those two little quilts.
And now we have a new subscriber, Dawn A., who made a Taylor's ham and sausage. She found the patterns from a YouTube channel called Penguin and Pear, which I have not yet investigated. Have you?
No, I have not.
Yeah,
nope.
We'll have to take a look at that. So let's see what she made. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, very useful tools. I have both of those in my sewing toolbox. And I use both of them for different means. And that's cool that she made her own.
Yes. And then we will see that she has the pattern that she used. It's got all her measurements on it. She's got her weights on it, so she cut it out. So, yeah, that's an awesome thing to have in your toolbox.
Sewing, yeah, in your toolbox for sewing, yeah.
Yeah, welcome, Dawn.
Yes, and thank you for sending in your what you've made. So now our next make is from Rebecca M., and she made a little top and pant set from New Look pattern number 6473.
Oh, isn't that cute? I want to wear that.
That's adorable. Oh, wow, that is really cute. It looks like it has little pleats in the top.
Mm-hmm, yeah, and I love the lime green color. It's just amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, so bright, and I like, huh?
I could wear that. I said I could wear that color.
Yes, it's really cute. Very nice. Thank you for sharing that.
Yeah. And Rebecca M also made a piggy in a blanket from an internet pattern. She sent us the link there of where she found that.
Oh, he's cute.
Isn't he darling?
He is darling.
Yeah, I think he's crocheted. Looks like he's crocheted, doesn't it?
It does. It does to me too.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so sweet.
Oh, and so there, here you go. See, how do you wrap them up in that little blankie?
Yeah, like pigs in a blanket.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's cute. Somebody will enjoy that.
They will. That is adorable.
And then she made a colorful Afghan from yarn found at a Goodwill.
All right.
Ooh, pretty.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Those are nice fall colors.
Yes, they are. Yeah.
They are beautiful. Oh, that's a lot of work, but I'm sure she enjoyed making that.
Yeah. And then she had one more project that she was able to complete. And it looks like, I think this is like a carpet type thing because it's on the floor. Or maybe she was showing it on the floor. I don't know. Maybe that is an Afghan. I don't know. But it's pretty.
It is pretty. It looks like she has a variation of stitches in there that's like a sampler of stitches.
Mm-hmm.
But it was very nice.
Yeah, I like that. Those are fun. Those are nice to have.
Yeah. And we have Irma W., who made this top from the thrifted fabric. It's from So Easy L9716. She got that from Walmart. And the design is machine embroidered. Oh, look at that.
Isn't that pretty?
That is very pretty. And that embroidery I like. It's very classy looking. Mm-hmm. It's very nice.
Yeah. Oh, she put some on the back too. See that?
Yeah, she did. And I like that.
Nice little, is that an inverted pleat or is that a pleat?
It's a box pleat, I think.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So this is the
very nice
pattern she got, Simplicity 297. Yeah.
I think her make looks much better than the one on the pattern front.
Yeah, me too. That's nice. So that's all the makes that were sent in to us for this time. I hope you really enjoyed them as much as we did. I just love seeing other people's makes.
I do too. I love the creativity and the different designs, and like the last example we had with the top, they look better sometimes than the pattern pictures show.
Yeah.
So I really enjoy that. Yeah.
That's
and the pigs in the blanket.
Yeah. So thank you so much for joining us this week. Don't forget that when you have a real interest in life and a curious life, sleep is not the most important thing. Although,
no,
if you don't have sleep, you can't
enjoy or have the curiosity. So get enough sleep for your curiosity to keep going and enjoy your life. So
yes,
yeah,
but don't sleep through any of our videos.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
So anyway, we hope that you have a wonderful week ahead, and we hope our next video will feature our makes and we'll be back to normal life again. So
yeah, we hope so too. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to send us your likes send us your makes so that we can feature you in an upcoming video. And please hit like, subscribe,
forward and what else?
And don't forget to hit notification bell so that you know when our videos come out. Although usually we try very hard to get them out at Sundays at 8 a.m. But that's Eastern Daylight Time.
Yeah, and sometimes we have little glitches. So, but
most of the glitch us? Come on.
Oh, I don't know.
Well, thank you so much, and we'll see you later.
All right. Have a wonderful week. Happy sewing and happy thrifting.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.